Today we are doing black and white abstract art using the ancient technique of Shou Sugi Ban,
which is basically lighting things on fire. Ah! Oh, more!
Oh my god! Ah, cut it! Oh my god!
That's what it does!
I didn't know it would be that big!
That's what she...
Science adjacent with Evan and Katelyn.
Yeah. All right, so Suzuki-bond is a finish that you can add to wood by burning it. And it adds weather resistance and resistance to bugs by creating this like kind of protective layer on top. It also looks really cool, which is why we're doing it. Oh, my beautiful art.
Okay, so we're gonna Shou Sugi Ban a whole big old piece of wood. And then the plan is to carve away parts that we want to show the normal wood through, and it should end up looking like a black and white abstract art. Or it'll look terrible, which is kind of the thing about abstract art. You don't really know how it's gonna turn out until you're done.
Yeah, I like the circles. Very nice.
First we'll test a propane torch, which you can find at your local home store. Next is map gas, which is pretty much the same, but a little more powerful. And finally, the big handheld torch. It's often used for obliterating your weeds. This one is really, really, really big.
All right, so I think that this propane is gonna go a little bit too slow. I'm gonna have to hold it on there for too long. And I also have this little water bottle here. You're supposed to spray it down after it's all burnt, so then it doesn't keep on burning and warp and bend. I'm so excited, I've been waiting for this for so long.
That's actually like pretty good. It smells like marshmallows.
Why does it smell like marshmallows? That's
Good
great.
level of crackle.
That looks great. Okay, maybe I was underestimating this guy.
Yeah.
Look at this too. Look at how crisp that edge is. That's really nice.
Look at how crispy that wood is.
Yeah.
It's real crispy.
This is easier than I thought.
Yeah, that actually happened super fast.
Yes.
Okay. I am a little worried that this one's gonna be too intense now.
Oh no, it's gonna be awesome. You did go a little bit faster on yours.
Kind of similar end result.
Yeah.
I mean, it's cool.
It's really cool. Yeah, same thing, but just a little bit faster, I think. Yeah. Alrighty.
Are you ready for big boy?
I'm ready for big boy.
Oh my god.
That went fast.
And it did the whole thing at once.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot over here.
The whole thing is hot.
No, the table.
Well, that's what I mean, the whole table.
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, that was definitely the fastest, and it's probably the most uniform.
Yeah, it probably is a little bit more uniform.
It's probably like a deeper crisp too.
See how my edges aren't quite as blackened.
I didn't even mean to get this edge.
I think for the big one, we have to go with this.
Yeah, yeah. But like, it's good to know that you can achieve a similar look.
Yeah, with just like a little torch.
With a little torch, yeah.
Yeah, your head's not been in frame the entire time.
Bless you.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. What's awesome is like, this is, you know the Elon Musk Boring Company flamethrower?
Isn't it just one of these?
It's just one of these.
We should make a flamethrower.
I like your way of thinking. Oh, is it raining?
No, wait.
Did a bird poop on me?
Oh, yeah, I think
This is dirty water, okay.
Okay, we should
Okay,
film
we should go. Here, start behind me. I'm gonna start shooting it this way. Okay, yeah, there you go. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay.
All right. Now, ladies.
I don't know why I'm just going like this. Oh, I extinguished it.
Yeah, this is troublesome because I like get in and then it's out.
Okay. I'll get it this time.
Okay. It's gonna be great footage. Oh my god, that's a lot of fire!
I had to stop. It was like getting out of control a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
That was fun though. It's like crackling. Do you hear it?
I hear it.
Oh man, I loved it when there's like a halo of flame around it.
That was insane.
It was a circle. It was so good.
That was good.
When I'm excited, I laugh in strange ways, okay?
Something fiery flew at me.
No, it was a leaf. I saw it hit you. Okay, that's pretty good. I think I'll switch to the little guys for now. Does it pass inspection?
I mean, we'd have to get the supervisor out here. Okay, we're gonna let this cool down, dry off.
And then we are gonna stabilize it with some resin.
Okay, so carrying this in, we realized something.
I mean, this is a fairly common issue with Shou Sugi Ban, the technique. Sometimes the boards warp a little bit.
When you are a little too intense with the heat. Oh my God!
And if you don't spray it soon enough, and lots of other factors. Plus, this is such a wide board made up of many little boards. If your project doesn't need your final piece to be perfectly flat, but we need it to be really, really flat for the CNC.
I feel like you're threatening it.
Everything was going really well except for it cupping. We could glue a few of these and clamp it down, and when that wood glue solidifies, then it will be nice and flat, and these will hold it flat. Or we could try burning the other side and then evening it out.
Yeah, but what if that doesn't work?
Then we're really in trouble.
Yeah.
So this would probably be the safer way.
Okay. Stop threatening the wood. It's our own doing.
You know, I was thinking, man, for once, everything is going so smoothly, nothing is going wrong.
That never happens. So don't die, please.
But you know what? We always find a way. I know that we always find a way. Oh, I was gonna go old school with like the glue spreading. I was just gonna like dump it out like this. Oh, that's a lot. And then just kind of like, you know, spread it in by hand.
We have brushes and rollers.
I want to use.
Okay. Well, I guess, should I use one of your gloves? I didn't come prepared. I didn't know we were doing it like cavemen. So why are you doing, that's so much glue.
I don't want people to say that we're not using enough glue.
I don't think anyone's gonna say it. This is so bad. And your glove is so big on me, it's just taking the glove off my hand.
I'm already done. Look at that, a whole big board glued up perfectly. Perfect levels in no time flat.
Take a deep breath. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. Oh.
All right, let's get this glue up going. It looks flat. It looks great.
Flat.
Oh yeah, that's flat.
Oh, that's so much nicer.
Even there too.
Awesome.
All right, so I'm 90% sure that this is good to go. Yes. All right, so we probably could just slap this down on the CNC and get carving, but just in case, I want to strengthen everything with penetrating epoxy. Now this will like work its way into the wood and strengthen it so that like we don't get any chip out or flakes and lose any of this beautiful detail in those crackly bits.
Okay, let's do it.
Perfect. Just like I planned.
Are you 90% sure?
90% sure.
But, ooh. Is that gonna be enough?
I think so. I'm kind of worried this big old brush, I'm just gonna stick it in there and all of this is gonna absorb into the brush.
We're just gonna penetrate the brush. Sorry. I shouldn't. It's called penetrating epoxy.
Not that type of channel. All right,
ready?
Yeah. Whoa. Makes it look even richer.
Well, it kind of evens out those lighter spots. Look at that.
Yeah. Super thirsty. I mean, obviously, because I burned it. It was getting a little bit fumy. Oh, glorious.
Okay, so we thought that while that dried, it would be a great time to do the art for this piece. And we were thinking abstract art, like
Something mature people would hang up in their house, like modern or minimalist, and it started kind of boring and generic. Then I started experimenting with some weirder stuff, which sounds weird, but I still wasn't feeling it. Then I just decided to draw our supervisor looking through her catio, and I noticed she kind of looked like she was in a spacesuit, so I just went with it, and now we have a cat in space, and I love her.
I think it's ready. There's no more charcoal coming off. I am so excited to see Katelyn's design come to life. And what better way to do that than with a CNC? It's so futuristic and space-like.
yeah, and we're just gonna carve a really, really thin layer, so it should be relatively fast too.
Relatively. First star is done.
Yeah. What's up? It's never a good thing when you call mid-CNC run.
Oh, I think I messed up.
What the heck?
I moved one of the lines incorrectly or something like that.
Oh no, did it start carving through her face?
It carved a little bit through her face. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll fix it. Poor Juba.
You know, it's abstract art.
It's abstract.
That line represents the line straight from my cat to my soul.
And we can fix it. Look at this. Look at this. And just move it back down here. That's where it's supposed to be.
No, that's not work out. Gotta like line it up with the other lines.
Let's try that again. Alright, I had probably a bad idea, but it could be funny. I think I'm gonna try to prank Katelyn. I'm not good at pranks. Wish me luck. Hey Katelyn, something messed up out here. Surprise, it's perfect!
You're evil! You're evil!
Was it funny?
I mean, no. It looks really good.
It looks really good. She has an evil eye. One of her eyes is in a knot.
Yeah, well, she's an evil supervisor.
Okay.
Overlord.
So I had a good idea. What if we finish all of the outside in gloss, but finish her in matte? So she'll stand out. So like the space will stand out as space, and she'll be a little floating astronaut.
I don't know, kind of like a mat.
Kind of like the whole thing matte?
Yeah.
I thought my space idea was pretty cool.
Oh, you ready?
Yeah, sorry.
I can't trust you anymore. So because the penetrating epoxy is glossy and it only soaked in all the way in some places, we're gonna add a matte varnish on top because I think that would look nicer. Okay guys, well we really like how it turned out, but now it's time to see if the ultimate critique supervisor and muse of our art approves of it.
Julie, what do you think? She rejected it. I think she's rejecting me. Oh,
She's done with you.
We like this piece of art so much, we want to wear it on our bodies all the time. No, we're not getting tattoos. Something a little less extreme. We ordered shirts. We made shirts of these.
Yeah, and if you guys want some too, we have them at shopevanandkatelyn.com.
Yeah.
And then we can all be Space Cat twins. Okay, thanks.
Bye!
And now, a quick preview of our gaming channel.
Oh no, no.
Don't look at me!
You need to clear the space. You need to clear a space. Clear a space. Clear a space. Clear a space.
I like that you still
Whoa.
actually don't have pants. What the?
Look at that. Look at that.
Dang,
Oh,
now
so
you got
fancy.
Oh my God.
You look at
adore.
We got a Miley Cyrus this thing.
I came in like a wrecking ball.